Rahul, what happened? You look as if you're about to cry. Is something wrong? Is somebody troubling you?
Oh, Wisdom Tree, it is not somebody. It is my maths homework, multiplication, which is making me cry.
Do not give up, Rahul. But you said that you learned multiplication in your earlier classes and were good at it. Let me see what is troubling you.
I have to multiply 32 with 9. I know the multiplication table for 9. But I know only up to 10 multiplied by 9 is 90, but not further. How can I multiply 32 times 9? I don't know what to do.
Do not worry, Rahul. There's one more simple way. Let me tell you how Guru Drona taught the method to the princess. Today we shall learn about multiplication by breaking up one number, multiplication by doubling. In those days, many rich people used to donate food items, cattle, and things useful for running the Gurukul. One day, a rich businessman visited the Gurukul to pay his respects to Guru Drona and donated many baskets of fruits.
Now, tell me, how many fruits are there in each basket?
There are 25 baskets.
Now calculate and tell me how many fruits are there.
All the princes started multiplication. They started writing the 12 multiplication table, but it took a long time for them to complete.
Children, come near me. Show me the notebook. Good. To find the total number of fruits, you are multiplying 25 by 12 and finding the product with the help of 12 multiplication table. What you all are doing is one method of finding the answer. But let me teach you one more simple method of multiplication. Children, here you see blocks arranged in 6 rows and 8 columns. So in total we have 6 multiplied by 8, 48 blocks. To make it simpler, let us arrange 8 columns as 5 columns plus 3 columns. So now in the first arrangement, the boxes are arranged in 5 columns in 6 rows, and so we have 6 multiplied by 5 equal to 30 blocks. And in the second arrangement, the boxes are arranged in 3 columns in 6 rows. So we have 6 multiplied by 3 equal to 18 blocks. Now adding them, we have 30 plus 18 is equal to 48 blocks. Previously, we multiplied 6 with 8 and got 48. Now we break one of the multiplicand, 8, as 5 plus 3. Then we multiplied 6 with 5 and 6 with 3. Then added the products 30 and 18, which is again 48. So this method of breaking up one number and doing multiplication will make your multiplication process easier. Now, to multiply 18 by 6, we can break up 18 as 10 plus 8. Now 18 multiplied by 6 can be written as 10 multiplied by 6 plus 8 multiplied by 6, which is equal to 60 plus 48 equal to 108. So 18 multiplied by 6 is 108. Now to multiply 42 by 7, we can break up 42 as 40 plus 2. Now 42 multiplied by 7 can be written as 40 multiplied by 7 plus 2 multiplied by 7. To multiply 40 and 7, we multiply 4 and 7 and write 28 and a 0 at the right side. So we get 280. Again, 2 multiplied by 7 is 14. Now adding 280 and 14, we get 294. So 42 multiplied by 7 is 294. Now let us complete the multiplication table of 14 by breaking up 14 as 10 plus 4. So 1 multiplied by 14 equal to 1 multiplied by 10 plus 1 multiplied by 4 equal to 10 plus 4 equal to 14. 2 multiplied by 14 equal to 2 multiplied by 10 plus 2 multiplied by 4 equal to 20 plus 8 equal to 28. 3 multiplied by 14 equal to 3 multiplied by 10 plus 3 multiplied by 4 equal to 30 plus 12 equal to 42. 4 multiplied by 14 equal to 4 multiplied by 10 plus 4 multiplied by 4 equal to 40 plus 16 equal to 56. 5 multiplied by 14 equal to 5 multiplied by 10 plus 5 multiplied by 4 equal to 50 plus 20 equal to 70. 6 multiplied by 14 equal to 6 multiplied by 10 plus 6 multiplied by 4 equal to 60 plus 24 equal to 84. 7 multiplied by 14 equal to 7 multiplied by 10 plus 7 multiplied by 4 equal to 70 plus 28 equal to 98. 8 multiplied by 14 equal to 8 multiplied by 10 plus 8 multiplied by 4 equal to 80 plus 32 equal to 112. 9 multiplied by 14 equal to 9 multiplied by 10 plus 9 multiplied by 4 equal to 90 plus 36 equal to 126. 10 multiplied by 14 equal to 10 multiplied by 10 plus 10 multiplied by 4 equal to 100 plus 40 equal to 140. Now let me go back to our problem. Children, can you calculate multiplication by breaking up numbers and tell me how many fruits we got?
There were 25 baskets and 12 fruits in each basket. Here, 12 can be written as 10 plus 2. So, 25 multiplied by 12 is 25 multiplied by 10 plus 25 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 250 plus 50 equals to 300. So, there are 300 fruits in total.
Now, to multiply 416 multiplied by 4, we can break up 416 as 400 plus 10 plus 6. So 416 multiplied by 4 is equal to 400 multiplied by 4 plus 10 multiplied by 4 plus 6 multiplied by 4. To multiply 400 by 4, multiply 4 by 4, that is 16, and add 2 zeros at the end. Therefore, 400 multiplied by 4 is 1600. Then 4 multiplied by 10 is 40. 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. Now adding 1600, 40, 24, we get 1664 as the product. Now to multiply 205 multiplied by 7, we can break up 205 as 200 plus 0 plus 5. So 205 multiplied by 7 is equal to 200 multiplied by 7 plus 0 plus 5 multiplied by 7. To multiply 200 by 7, multiply 2 by 7 and add 2 zeros at the end. That is 1400 multiplied by 7 is 0 and 5 multiplied by 7 is 35. Now adding 1435, we get 1435. Now multiply 15 by 8 by breaking any one of the number. Nakul, come and do this problem.
Yes, Guruji.
Which number are you going to break up?
We can break 15 as 10 plus 5.
Good. Now, how will you find the product?
Now we have 10 plus 5 multiplied by 8. This can be written as 10 multiplied by 8 plus 5 multiplied by 8.
Very good. Next.
10 multiplied by 8 is 80 and 5 multiplied by 8 is 40. Adding them, we get 120. Hence, 15 multiplied by 8 is 120.
Now let us practice some more multiplication sums by breaking up one of the number. Multiply 312 by 4. Now, can anyone say how you can break 312?
We can write 312 as 300 plus 10 plus 2.
Good. Now multiply and say me the answer.
300 multiplied by 4 plus 10 multiplied by 4 plus 2 multiplied by 4.
Yudhishthir, tell me how you multiplied 304.
To multiply 304, it is enough if we multiply 3 and 4 and add 2 zeros at the end. So 3 multiplied by 4 is 12 and 300 multiplied by 4 is 1200.
Very good. Continue.
Now 300 multiplied by 4 is 1200 and 10 multiplied by 4 is 40. 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. Adding, we get 1248.
Is it possible to multiply 15 by 4 with the help of 2 multiplication table?
How is it, Guruji?
Let me teach you all children. Now what is 3 multiplied by 2?
6.
3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. In this multiplication, when the multiplicand 2 in 3 multiplied by 2 is doubled to 4 and the product 6 also doubled to 12. Now 15 multiplied by 2 is 30. So 15 multiplied by 4 is double of 30, which is 60. Now if 5 multiplied by 7 is 35, then 5 multiplied by 14 is nothing but double of 5 multiplied by 7. That is double of 35 equal to 70. Similarly, if 12 multiplied by 7 is 84, then 12 multiplied by 14 is double of 12 multiplied by 7. That is double of 84 equal to 168. Now double the multiplication table of 8 and give me the answer of 5 multiplied by 16.
5 multiplied by 16 is double of 5 multiplied by 8.
Good. Now what is 5 multiplied by 8?
5 multiplied by 8 is 40 and double of 40 is 80. So 5 multiplied by 16 is 80.
Now double the multiplication table of 9 and give me the answer of 5 multiplied by 18.
5 multiplied by 18 is double of 5 multiplied by 9. 5 multiplied by 9 is 45. So 5 multiplied by 18 is double of 45
which is equal to 90.
Rahul, now that you have seen how Guru Drona taught multiplication by breaking numbers, we can solve your sum very easily, isn't it? So you can break the number 9 as 5 plus 4. So you can break the number 9 as 5 plus 4. Now 32 multiplied by 9 can be written as 32 multiplied by 5 plus 32 multiplied by 4. 32 multiplied by 5 is 160 and 32 multiplied by 4 is 128. Now adding the two, the answer that you will get is 288. In this lesson, the princess learned multiplying by breaking up one number, multiplying by doubling. Rahul, hope you have understood all the concepts.
Oh, yes, I did. Will you please teach me a new concept? I feel like learning more.
It is getting late for that, and I think you should start and reach home before it gets dark.
Okay then, I shall wait for the next time we meet. Good night.
Good night.